If I'm innocent, do I still need a criminal defense attorney? This question was answered by Christopher Combs in our website category, General Criminal Defense, on October 2nd, 2024. If I'm innocent, do I still need a criminal defense attorney? If you've been accused of or charged with a crime but you know you're innocent, you may believe that you don't need a criminal defense attorney. After all, if you didn't do anything wrong, why would you need someone to protect you? However, your innocence doesn't automatically protect you from being charged or investigated. In fact, many innocent individuals are wrongly accused or find themselves entangled in legal situations where a misunderstanding or false evidence puts them at risk. A skilled criminal defense attorney is crucial in safeguarding your rights, ensuring that you don't inadvertently incriminate yourself, and guiding you through the legal process to avoid devastating consequences. Remember, when a crime is committed, law enforcement's main job is to secure a conviction as quickly and easily as possible. While they don't necessarily want to put innocent people behind bars, they sometimes do when they are confident in their case. If you've been accused of a crime, whether you're innocent or the evidence is stacked against you, call Combs Water Cuddy at 314-900-HELP or contact us online for a free case review and aggressive, personalized criminal defense. Why you need a criminal defense attorney, even if you're innocent. While it might seem counterintuitive, even if you are innocent, it is crucial to have a criminal defense attorney by your side. Here's why full legal representation is important. Protect against self-incrimination. One of the most common mistakes innocent individuals make is thinking they should talk to the police and explain their side of the story. In doing so, they might unknowingly say something that can be used against them. Police officers are trained to extract information that can strengthen a case, not necessarily to clear suspects based on their statements. The legal system is complex. Navigating the intricacies of the criminal justice system is daunting, especially for someone unfamiliar with legal processes. A defense attorney ensures your rights are protected and helps you get the charges dropped as soon as possible. Police and prosecutors build a case against you. Law enforcement officers and prosecutors are not always focused on innocence or guilt. Their primary goal is to build a case based on the evidence they gather. An attorney makes sure this evidence is scrutinized and that any inconsistencies are brought to light. Law enforcement can use deceptive tactics. Police officers are allowed to lie during interrogations to elicit confessions. Even innocent people can be pressured into making false statements when faced with aggressive questioning techniques. A defense attorney helps you avoid such pitfalls by advising you on what to answer and how to answer through the interrogation process. Even innocuous details can be twisted. Something as simple as disclosing your location at the time of a crime could unintentionally place you at the scene, especially if the police are looking for someone to blame. An attorney ensures that your statements and evidence are properly framed and prevents unnecessary complications. By working with a defense attorney, you safeguard your rights and increase your chances of avoiding wrongful conviction, even when you are completely innocent. How a criminal defense attorney protects innocent clients. Even for those who are innocent, having an experienced defense attorney can make a world of difference. Here's how a lawyer protects your rights. Preventing self-incrimination. An attorney will advise you on what to say, and, more importantly, what not to say. Innocent people can sometimes provide seemingly harmless details that can be twisted or misinterpreted. A defense lawyer will guide your communication to ensure you don't unknowingly harm your case. Challenging evidence. Police and prosecutors may present evidence that seems to point toward your guilt. A defense attorney will analyze this evidence, question its validity, challenge any evidence that was obtained unlawfully or presented out of context, and offer evidence that points to your innocence rather than your guilt. Ensuring due process. Even if you are innocent, your case could be mishandled. A defense attorney will ensure your rights are upheld throughout the entire process, from arrest to trial, ensuring that proper procedures are followed and preventing any prosecutorial misconduct. Negotiating, when necessary. In some cases, even an innocent individual may face pressure to accept a plea deal. A defense attorney can negotiate on your behalf, ensuring that if any discussions take place, they are done with your best interests in mind, and you are not punished for something you didn't do. By hiring a criminal defense attorney, you are not only protecting your rights, but also ensuring that the system treats you fairly, and your innocence is demonstrated in the clearest possible terms. What should you do if you're innocent and accused of a crime? If you're innocent and facing criminal charges, here are the steps you should follow. Stay silent. Do not discuss the details of the case with the police or anyone else, no matter how confident you are in your innocence. Even innocent statements can be misconstrued and used against you. You must explicitly express your wish to remain silent to law enforcement. Call an attorney right away. A criminal defense attorney can protect your rights and guide you through every step of the legal process. You must explicitly express you want to speak to an attorney to law enforcement. Do not consent to searches or tests without legal counsel. Your lawyer will ensure that any evidence obtained is collected legally and won't unfairly harm your case. Keep a record. Document everything related to the case, including any interactions with law enforcement or others involved, to help build your defense. Call Combs Water Cutty, even if you're innocent. If you're facing criminal charges, even if you're innocent, there's no replacement for having a skilled criminal defense attorney by your side. Contact Combs Water Cutty to protect your rights and ensure the best possible defense. We're available 24/7 to protect your rights and future. Give us a call at 314-900-HELP or contact us online for a free case review.